When a massive ISRO rocket like the GSLV F-14 roars into the sky, it provides a moment of immense national pride. For most of the country, that multi-billion-dollar triumph is experienced as a distant glow on a screen. We watch the countdowns, we cheer for the milestones, and then we return to our daily lives. That cosmic scale feels especially distant from the everyday rhythm of small-town life in rural West Bengal, where local priorities are anchored to the ground. This distance creates a knowledge vacuum. A massive scientific achievement happens hundreds of miles away, but without a local, tangible connection, the actual physics and engineering behind it remain abstract to the people watching from home. Normally, we expect schools to bridge that gap. Yet traditional science education can fall short, keeping complex physics restricted to dry textbook chapters, rigid testing schedules, and rote memorization. Mr. Partha Ghosh, a physics teacher at Dhupguri High School, recognized this disconnect. He saw that relying on chalkboard diagrams and printed equations failed to help his students grasp the physical reality of the cosmos. To cultivate a genuine scientific outlook, he realized the learning process had to move beyond the classroom walls. It had to become something the students could touch, test, and prove themselves. Connecting rural students to the stars required an entirely new extracurricular approach, one built from the ground up to foster real-world engagement. This led to the founding of the Dhupguri Science Club. Operating as a voluntary organization, the club acts as a bridge, translating high-level science into accessible local discovery. They shifted away from passive lectures towards active fieldwork. Students started going on regular science excursions and working directly with instruments like solar filters, turning astronomy into a physical interaction with the sun. To maintain momentum outside of organized events, the club integrated modern digital tools. They launched a dedicated mobile app that delivers real-time science news and club notices directly to the students. They also channel local energy toward national milestones. By organizing interactive art projects and live online quizzes for National Space Day, they provide the community with a direct way to participate in the country's space achievements. Through these combined methods, scientific inquiry takes root as a local culture, woven directly into the community's daily life. What started as a single point of curiosity in the town of Dhupguri quickly gained momentum. The model scaled across the region, establishing 10 distinct branches in districts like Hooghly Arambagh, Jalpaiguri, and North 24 Parganas. This grassroots growth eventually led to national validation. Mr. Ghosh earned official recognition as a registered space tutor for ISRO. This certification means that a voluntary high school club in rural West Bengal now serves as a formal, recognized conduit to the National Space Program. The club has built a two-way infrastructure. It brings the vast resources of ISRO to the classroom level, while elevating the community's perspective to the stars. The club maintains year-round support through career counseling and personal mentorship, focusing on the holistic growth of every student. This sustained engagement nurtures a permanent scientific outlook, giving young minds a framework of logical inquiry to understand the world around them. Today, these students look upward with a genuine technical understanding of the universe, engaging with the cosmos through the lens of active inquiry. Scientific literacy requires more than national success. It must be actively cultivated at the grassroots level by local mentors willing to build the bridge themselves.